reflect on you. All of the things you said to me, it seems like you like me too. We can take it slow, make sure we do.
Good morning. So, welcome back to another video, guys. So this is going to be the first travel vlog video that we're going to attempt. So I'll flip this around real quick. See, just packing up the rest of the car, hitching the camper trailer up, getting ready to go. Got a few more things just that we've got to finish off before we leave, but I thought I'd give you guys a bit of a rundown on what we're doing, what the plan is. So this will be our first travel vlog video. We've never really done one before, we've never really attempted one, we've got no idea what we're doing, so don't judge us too harshly. But we're going to Tumut for 4 or 5 days. This is a little bit of a getaway for the family, reset after the Christmas New Year break. So hopefully this is just going to be giving you guys a little bit of a look at Tumut, the riverine of the Snowy Valleys. You guys can see it through our eyes. So come along with us, let's get ready, let's get this thing packed up and we'll get on the road.
So let's just take our time, dropping everything, 'cause you're stuck on my mind. So just sit with me, talking to the night until the morning, building chemistry.
And where are we now?
The camping side.
Where is that at?
Tumut.
Tumut. Tumut?
We're at Tumut.
You having fun though? Yeah. So I thought I'd we're just out here mucking around. Kim's in there having a sleep. Evie's watching a movie, so it's nice and quiet. But I'll give you a look at how we're set up and how close we are to the river. Oh, so I'll take you out here. So this is, if you haven't already seen it, this is the new little camper trailer project that we've got.
Has Mama done after you?
Cracking little thing.
Who was
Ute right there, ute right there beside it. And we'll go over here and I'll show you just how close we are to the water. Yeah.
And we don't show him the river?
Yep. Just gonna walk over the river, have a look at how good it looks. Cool, doesn't it?
It's like all the way to the dam.
Yeah. But it looks good, doesn't it?
And people see where they take them.
Hey? So it's pretty awesome. You can see that we're right behind us, so that's where we're set up, just there. Kind of spilling we didn't get one of these unreal waterfront spots. Yeah, we're definitely, if we come back here again, well, I reckon we're definitely going to try to get one of these little riverfront spots, because they're just gorgeous. And when you get to wake up and look straight out at that.
Daddy?
Yeah, you couldn't really complain if you were waking up and looking at that every morning. Next time. Righto, so good morning. So Tumut Brewing Company, Tumut River Brewing Company, absolutely beautiful place, absolutely beautiful beers, beautiful food. We probably drank a few more than what we should have. We ended up having to walk home, not Kim obviously, but yeah, we ended up coming back, and the beers and the food was so good. We'll definitely be coming back next time we come through Tumut again. We are definitely going to be heading back. I might even take a couple of beers home with me. But awesome stuff. But Kim and the kids have gone off to have a shower, so I thought I'd better give you guys a bit of a rundown on today. So today we were going to go to Yarrango Billy Caves and do a cave walk. I think that's what they're called. But weather's sort of turned a little bit average, so we're not going to do that today. We might try to do it tomorrow, depending on the weather. But the people that we're staying with here at Riverglade Caravan Park, shout out Danny and Sterlo, they've just told us last night about a little private camp that they're heading off to today. So we're going to go with them. They've invited us to go along, so we're going to go out there with them, suss out the little camping spot out there. It's right on the edge of Kosciuszko National Park, so that we're super excited to go and see that. We've always wanted to go into Kosciuszko, and that's on the books for this year actually, is camping up in Kosciuszko National Park. So super pumped to go out there. We're going to go out, have a bit of a look around, maybe have a bit of a swim in the river, see how it goes, and then yeah, pretty much see where the day takes us. We don't really have that much of a plan. We're just going to go out. We might stay a few hours, we might stay all day, we don't really know. So we're going to go out, see how that goes, and then we'll catch you either back in town or back in the van. Alright guys, see you soon.
Excited?
So I've just been told about a little hut. Oh, it's sort of right in the, we're sort of right at the start of the Kosciuszko National Park trail. So we've just, there's this little sort of old heritage hut that we're going to go have a bit of a squiz at. Oh, a lot of uphill walking. I'm buggered. What are you doing, Evie? Yeah? Good girl. Let's have a look. How good was that place, hey? We've just got back to the van, but that was beautiful. There's no other word to describe it. First off, thank you to Denny and Sterlo for inviting us out there, guys. Really appreciate that. That was awesome, and we would love to come back again, bring the van or bring a few swags, and have a good couple of nights out there, because that was absolutely gorgeous. We got out there, I was blown away. I was blown away at how beautiful it was. Even just the drive out before we got there was a bit of an adventure in itself, and it was so much fun just to get out there. Danny will probably disagree with me, because I think Danny was a bit under the weather after last night's efforts, but it's all part of the fun, and that was one of the best little side trips, I guess you'd call it, that I ever had, and to end up at a place like it was beautiful, was perfect. So we were absolutely stoked to come out there with you guys, and we hope to get back out there again, because that was unreal. And then we went and had a look at Venables Hut, just on the edge of Kosciuszko National Park there, and that was, again, unreal. Just awesome to see that little piece of history still alive and well, and still being maintained and kept up. If you like that sort of stuff, guys, as well, that little bit of history, little huts and national park trails and things like that, let me know in the comments below, because I do want to do more of it. I like that sort of stuff. I get a bit of a kick out of it. So if you like that, guys, comment below, and we'll try to get a little bit more of that and work some more into these little vlog episodes. We might even go down and have a bit of a swim in the river. If we do, we'll take you guys down there, but otherwise, yeah, we'll probably see you in the morning or at dinner time. Go, Jason, come on, get up. Get him, baby. Get up.
This is a good day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has a clear light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to buy.
How did you manage to get chocolate all the way up there? Near your nose. Huh? How'd you do that?
Because I was doing this.
What have you done to the biscuit? You've destroyed the Tim Tam. Oh, look at it. She's squashed it.
No, I didn't start it.
What'd you do then?
There was Jordan Tim in there.
Oh, really?
It has whipped up.
Oh, okay.
It whipped up.
Is that how it ended up on your nose?
Yeah. But why would it?
Alright. Is it nice though? Mm-hmm. Is it worth it? Yeah. What do you reckon? You got it on your... You got nearly your nose too. You got it up here on your cheek. Don't you? You get it near your ear, you rat bag. Well done. Good way to keep your kids entertained if they're being a handful. What are you doing, Harper?
Imagine your time with Pity.
Thank you.
And how to do the ones over there too.
Okay. Are you getting any patterns going, or are you just colouring it in?
I'm just throwing them in.
Okay. How about you do some patterns? That'll be cool.
I'm doing patterns.
Oh, righto.
This one's already done.
Hey?
This one's already done.
Oh, okay. You gonna go the other side now?
Yeah.
Alright, where you go?